Pry in and take out the air conditioning decorative panel. Press the plug buckle to take out the connecting plugs on the back of the air conditioner decorative panel, and then place the air conditioner decorative panel on one side. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the two fixing screws of the panel. Take out the three connectors on the back of the panel, and put the panel aside. Take out the storage box at the bottom, and pull out the connecting plug. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the two fixing screws of the original car host. Pull the host outwards, and take out the host. Then pinch the buckle of the harness and pull it back. Then take out the power harness. Remove two fixed screws from the original car display with a T10 screwdriver. Press the LVDS plug buckle on the back of the original car's monitor, and take out the LVDS cable. Pass the 4G antenna, GPS antenna, and USB cable through the passenger seat storage box to the back of the Android device. Use tweezers to press the small buckle on the original harness. Take out the 2-pin green optical fiber cable. Connect it to the Android harness. Please pay attention to the correct position. Connect the Android harness to the male connector of the original harness, and press the buckle firmly. Connect the male connector of the Android harness to original host. Then connect the 20-pin plug of the Android harness to the back of the Android device. Install the original host back to its position. Lock and fix the original host with a T20 screwdriver. Install the base back to its original position. After confirming that it is in place, lock and fix the base with T10 screwdriver. Install the left and right brackets on the base, and lock 8 screws. Connect the 3 connectors on the back of the panel, and install the panel back in place. Tear off the 4G and GPS antenna glue paper, and paste 4G antenna and GPS antenna in the front windshield of passenger seat side, and place the USB cable at the position of the passenger seat storage box. Restore the 3 connection plugs on the back of the air conditioner panel, and put the air conditioner panel back in place. Connect Android harness to the back of Android device. Connect the original LVDS cable to the Android device. Lock the 4 screws connecting the Android device and the left and right brackets. Start the car and check whether the Android device can power on or not. Check the touch function, navigation, Bluetooth audio and video functions.